Detectives assigned to the Savannah Lamar police station have arrested and charged a 15-year-old boy with wounded with intent after he stabbed a 9-year-old boy during a conflict at school in Westmoreland on Monday. Reports are that at about 7:30 p.m. a group of children were playing a game of football when a conflict developed between the two. The 15-year-old reportedly used a knife to stab the 9-year-old in his chest. He was assisted to a hospital by residents where he was treated and admitted in serious condition. The 15-year-old was taken to Savannah Lamar police station and charged after an interview. His court date is being arranged. A man was shot dead and a 17-year-old youth injured during a gun attack by gunmen at home in Brayton Meadows in Portmore, St. Catherine on Wednesday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as 20-year-old Nashon Lewis, otherwise called Eddie, and Crawman. The injured teen is a student. It was reported that around 1:30 p.m. the two males were among other people sitting inside the house when they were pounced upon by a man. Police said the man opened fire, hitting Lewis in the upper body. The teen was shot in the leg. They were assisted by residents to the hospital where Lewis was pronounced dead and the teen admitted in serious but stable condition. Police were still in the area up to late in the afternoon. A Kingston pastor is pleading with shooters to put down their guns while clinging to hope that one of his congregants will recover after she was shot while worshiping in church last Friday. According to the police, 5 persons were shot, one fatally, in the attack that has left the Union Gardens, St. Andrew Community and churchgoers shaken. The deceased have been identified as Robert Rowe, 24 of Union Avenue, Kingston 13. Pastor Alman Gentles of the Jehovah Jireh Church of God told the Star yesterday that he was giving his sermon when all hell broke loose, forcing an abrupt end to the service. About 8:30 p.m. we had church here. Persons were here worshiping and things like that. And when we heard shots on the outside, I realized one of my church members got injured and we assisted her to the hospital, Gentles said, adding that the member is still hospitalized and recuperating. The shot didn't lodge, it entered from back and fly through her breast. She has a lung situation now, like a pinch or something of the sort. So she has a breathing situation, but not too much, Gentles said. The status of the other injured persons has not been ascertained.